Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and removing common blockers. Sign into the correct Microsoft account, confirm your license, and make sure updates are available. Once done, free at least 5 GB of disk space and quit all Office apps and related background processes. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall that might block installation. Finally, right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator so permissions don't cause a failure. This reduces immediate permission and file lock problems. Now remove remnants that often break setups. Uninstall older Office suites from Settings or Control Panel, then run the official cleanup/uninstall utility. If you must, delete leftover folders in program files and app data and back up any registry keys before editing. Install required runtimes like Visual C++ if prompted. Use an offline installer or run the online setup with elevated command line options to produce logs. This sequence clears corrupted files and ensures the installer can write fresh components. Finish by activating Office, applying all Office updates, and restarting the computer to register services. Make sure add-ins are disabled for a first launch to rule out load failures. If activation or starting app still fails, create a new Windows user profile to test a clean environment. Sometimes profile corruption blocks configuration. Key troubleshooting tip: capture the installation logs from %temp% and the setup verbose log. Then run the support and recovery assistant or share logs with support. Logs reveal missing dependencies or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.